Are you still struggling with leg and foot space? The TIGERSGATE floorboard relocation brackets that were purchased have arrived. Let's install them together. Simply remove the bolts underneath the floorboards and install according to the sequence indicated on the floorboard relocation brackets. The driver floorboard relocation brackets can move the floorboards 1.5 wider and 1 forward. Provide more space for your thighs, right knee, and legs to make the ride more comfortable. Next, we will install the other side in the same manner. And that's it. Installation complete. I'm really happy to share my installation experience with everyone, and I hope you like it.